So, with the Illumira video browser, you'll be able to upload your video lectures onto a course page for your students to watch. So to begin and to enable it onto your course, you'll first want to go to your course. Let's just say the sandbox is it. Scroll down, go to your settings, go to navigation, and if it is enabled already, it'll be in this list up here. However, if it's not, you'll need to continue scrolling down until you see it, and ours is right here. Click and enable it, and then now it should appear up here. And then you can click and drag it to wherever you want. And then just remember to click Save. And if you did that properly, on the left-hand corner over here, you should see it here. Let's click it. And for here, you have 4 options. For now, we'll skip the third one. So first, let's go to Upload, which will allow you to directly upload your video and audio lecture. So for your source, you just want to upload whatever video it is. Let's just use this for an example. Make sure to give it a title, maybe saying what the lecture is about. Give it a date as well. Just give it a quick summary so your students will know what it's about. If you have closed captions, you can always upload that too. And here you can also allow your students to download it if they so wish, or send email notification when it's available to watch. And then once you have all of this, you can just click Submit. For your import media, if you already have a video that you use for another class, you can just click Import Media and then you can search and try to find it. And then lastly, for your course settings, let's say you have a presentation project and you want your students to upload a presentation video of themselves. You can always just allow that and turn that on. But if not, then it's off by default and you can just leave it that way.